In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why your business should implement a simple chatbot, whether that's in Microsoft Teams, Slack, your internal IT catalog, or even directly from your company's landing page. If your IT team is constantly answering the same questions over and over, this could be the easiest way to free up their time and give your users the instant support that they're expecting. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Will. I've been an IT services delivery manager for over a decade, and now I dedicate my time on helping businesses and IT professionals through my videos or through setupdoc.com automate and simplify their IT operations. Through my time in the IT field, I work with growing teams, remote startups, and everything in between. And I've seen firsthand how a simple automation like a chatbot answering common questions can free up hours of time each week and eliminate the constant repeat requests that slow your team down. This is something that I've actually rolled out myself, and I can tell you that it actually works. So let's kick things off with the most obvious reason this matters, and that is it stops repetition. So let's be real here. Every IT team deals with the same few questions on repeat. I can't even tell you how many times I've been asked the same questions when I used to work in the field. Like, hey, where do I reset my password? Or where's the VPN link again? And it's not that it bothered me. It's just that it felt like I was answering the same few things every single day. Eventually, we set up a simple AI bot to handle those repeat IT requests. And honestly, it made a huge difference for our team, because suddenly we had time to focus on the rest of our tickets that actually needed attention. And users could get their answers instantly without opening a ticket. But this isn't just about cutting down all the repetitive tasks, but it's also about speed. And that brings us to the next big reason. It speeds up support. Let's be honest, no one wants to wait on support for something they could solve themselves in seconds. With a chatbot in place, they don't have to. They just open Slack or Teams, ask their question, and get what they need right away. No waiting, no follow-up, and sometimes no ticket required. Or even better, you could automate a ticket creation right from the bot. It's like giving everyone their own personal IT assistant. One that's always on, never misses a message, and never gets overwhelmed. And if you got an international team, it's even better. A chatbot can handle after-hours requests, which means fewer late-night calls for your IT staff. And the result is that people move faster, stay focused, and your whole business runs more smoothly. But speed is just part of the story. Where this really shines is when your team starts to scale, which brings me to reason number 3. It scales without adding headcount. Here's the thing. As your business grows, the number of support requests grow as well. But your IT team, it doesn't always grow at the same pace. That's where automation becomes your best friend. A chatbot doesn't care if 10 people are asking the same question or 100. It handles each one with the same speed and consistency. And here's what blew my mind away. Some teams have saved up to 30% of their internal support time just by automating the basics. That's basically 2 full weeks of the year that your IT team gets back. So now, you're probably wondering, okay, this sounds great, but what does it actually take to set one up? The good news is that this isn't rocket science. You don't need a team of developers to build this for you. Here's a simple breakdown of what you'll need to get started. You'll want a workspace like Slack or Microsoft Teams, an AI model or chatbot platform. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot all work well. And finally, a basic knowledge base that could be a Google Doc, an Airtable base, Confluence, or even old tickets, just something that the bot can pull information from. That's really it. And don't worry, this is just a high-level overview. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to build one of these step by step. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. Now, if you're wondering how this fits into your overall IT workflow or what else you can automate, I got a few videos on the channel that walk you through that too. So make sure that you check them out. Adding a chatbot to your internal IT stack isn't just a cool project. It's a practical win. It helps you eliminate repeated tasks, respond faster, and support your team without burning them out. Even more importantly, it makes your users more self-sufficient. And that's when you start seeing the real scalable efficiency across your whole company. And if you're running solo, this will also help you be more efficient. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more IT automation content, and check out setupdoc.com if you need help implementing something like this in your environment. And if you're ready to build this out, stay tuned for my next video. I'll walk you through the full build so you can launch your own chatbot with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.